everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you chicken biryani recipe. So let's get started. For the chicken biryani, I have taken this 1 kg chicken and I'm gonna marinate this chicken first. So for that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of yogurt and turmeric powder, garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and then biryani masala and salt as per the taste. Add black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and ginger garlic, and add some cilantro and mint leaves, and I'm gonna mix this nicely. Add this whole masala too, cinnamon sticks and cardamom, whole black pepper, cloves and 1 bay leaf. Mix it again. I'm gonna cover and I'll keep this for half an hour. I have keep the water to boil. I'm gonna add salt. Then I will add this bay leaf and cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves, and black pepper. I have added all the whole masala, so let it be boiled. Now add this rice. I have added 5 cups of rice. Stir it. I'm gonna add half tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna cook this rice only 60%, just half cooked. Now our rice is half cooked. It looks like this. I'm gonna drain this water. After half an hour, our marinated chicken is ready. Rice also ready, which I have drained. Before making the layer in a pan, add just a little bit of oil. Just coated the pan with the oil. And now I'm gonna add this chicken, marinated chicken. Now add some fried onion on top of this chicken. I got this fried onion from grocery store, but you can make it at home also. And add some mint leaves and coriander leaves. And now add this rice, half cooked rice. And again add some fried onion and this coriander leaves and mint, and add some saffron color. I have made the layers, so now I'm gonna close the lid. I have made the wheat flour dough to seal the edge of this biryani pot. Seal it properly so that the steam doesn't go outside. I'll close this hole also. Now switch on the flame, and I'm gonna keep this in a low medium, and in this flame I'll cook this for about 30 minutes. Switch off the flame, and I'll leave it like this for another 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna take a look. So for that, first I'm gonna remove the seal. Now our yummy chicken biryani is ready to be served and looks yummy. You can serve this with raita or simply with yogurt. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.